Welcome to the language world. Today we're learning daily routines. Then, let's get started. To have lunch.
Обідати.
To rest.
Відпочивати.
To exercise.
Тренуватися.
To cook.
Готувати.
To have dinner.
Вечеряти.
To watch TV.
Дивитися телевізор.
To read a book.
Читати книжку.
To go shopping.
Ходити по магазинах.
To go home.
Йти додому.
To go to bed.
Лягати спати.
Quiz time.
Leave your answer in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn more languages. See you in the next videos.